MCQ from numerical analysis, and the problem is Newton's forward interpolation formula for n+1 nodes has a remainder proportional to 4 options are given. We have to find out the correct option. Okay, here it is given that n+1 nodes. So generally nodes are taken to be x0, x1, x2 to xn. These are n+1 nodes, and in Newton interpolation formula, any one of them, forward or backward, we let the nodes are equidistant, and here step length is h. Okay, and we already write here the error term or remainder term. Remainder means error of this interpolation formula. Error or remainder of Newton interpolation formula by forward difference formula is given by Rn+1x. This is given by x minus x0 into x minus x1 to x minus xn by n+1 factorial into fn+1 xi, where xi is lies between maximum and minimum of the value of nodes. Right? This is the remainder term. Now to write the remainder term more symmetrical order, we put here x, this is equal to x0 plus uh, right? And we know that xr, this is equal to x0 plus rh, and now we put x minus xr, calculate here, this is x0 plus uh minus x0 plus rh, so we get u minus r into h. Okay, now when we put x minus x0 here or x minus x1 here, we get 1h from here, and for all term we get one extra h, and the remainder term becomes Rn+1x. This is given by u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 to u minus n, and this is by n+1 factorial into h to the power n+1 into fn+1 xi. Okay, this is the symmetrical form of remainder, and it is clear from this expression this remainder term is proportional to h to the power n+1. Right, here h to the power n+1 is present, so our correct option is option number A, and this is the correct solution of this problem. This is the error of Newton forward difference interpolation formula.